tell me what's going on.
It's beautiful.
We're stuck on this pond because Lopez lost the oar. I mean, yeah, we'll be okay because we got a bouquet of flowers. Did you hear that?
What was that?
Is there like a creature in here or something? I'm really freaking out, Lopez.
Do you remember that story Daddy Craven used to tell us?
About how he said he'll beat us if we ever touch his gun rack?
No, about the swamp monster that lives in here?
I thought he was just joking around. Do you think he was telling the truth about that?
About what?
About the swamp monster that lives in here.
What, like that story Daddy Craven used to tell us?
Yes, like the one you just were talking about.
It might be true.
Doesn't it only eat kids who haven't eaten their supper, though? Lopez,
What?
did you eat your beef stroganoff and Salisbury steak last night?
Of course I did. Why?
So you weren't feeding it to Udon under the table?
Our cat? No.
Lopez, don't lie to me.
Fine! I fed it to Udon.
Great. Well, that's just great. We have someone who hasn't eaten their supper on a monster that eats people that don't eat their supper.
Sorry, Mama D's food tastes like shit.
Hey, you guys.
Archie, he's back.
I think you learned your lesson.
We ditched you for like 20 minutes. You left for like 3 hours.
So you don't want my help?
No, we do!
I'm gonna go get a rope, okay?
Hurry up!
Fine. Okay, here's the situation. My friends are stuck in a boat and their parents on vacation.
I got it. I'll grab a rope and throw it out to him.
When I'm on land.
I got stuck on a boat blues. It's true. I don't know what to do. I'm really hungry for bananas. I threw the oar in the water.
Lopez, I'm getting kind of hungry. Can you get that granola bar out?
No, I'm the one who grabbed it.
Listen, we need to share it, okay? It's like 50-50. We'll split it halfway. Lopez, you crazy fuck!
Sorry.
You threw away the only food we had.
We had chips.
Yeah, you ate them all.
Guys, I found a rope to pull you guys in.
What? That's great.
My hero, let's go.
Archie, retard, that's too short.
Hi, 911. My friends are stuck in a boat. Yes, this is the Danbury residence. Why'd they hang up on me? I got it. I'll go to a store and buy an oar.
Archie's back. Archie's back.
Guys, I got a paddle.
Great, toss it to us, over here.
Hey, but you guys gotta pay me back.
Fine, just throw it over.
You have $7.50 on you?
I only have $2.50 in the house.
Got $1 and some change.
Yeah, we got your money.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it now.
Okay.
Ew, you got me wet. Give me the boat. Archie, come on, we're almost there. Yeah, you're almost saving us. Yeah, we're on land. Yeah. Yay!
We're safe!
We're safe. Let's get off this boat forever. Come on.
Goodbye and good riddance.
Yeah, we're never doing that again, or not for a while anyways.
Tomorrow at 12.
Okay, we'll do it tomorrow at 12.
Don't need
guys.